Two-wheel peel?
Give her. Just don't let off until you're stuck. Oh, you're stuck. You're not getting through that. Oh man. You're done. You're stuck.
You think so?
Alright guys, we got Justin and the Gorilla Silverbacks test drive in the marsh. Oh dear. A little bit of mud there, that's okay. Doesn't know how to drive the Rincon. Too much burping, not enough going.
The Rincon stall.
Everyone do the Rincon stall. I'd be careful of this. This is some nasty shit you're in.
Oh yeah, we need to be able to turn around.
So make it pop to turn around. It's soft everywhere. Keep going, you're good. You're good. Back up in there, Justin. Back up in there. No. You're gonna have to go forward. You're gonna go forward, you're gonna bury yourself really bad. Oh shit. There you go. Back up in there if you can. Or do whatever. You made your first right. Just cannot handle that throttle.
Two-wheel peel?
Give her. Just don't let off until you're stuck. Oh, you're stuck. You're not getting through that. Oh man. You're done. You're stuck.
You think so?
No, go forward. Let it creep. Let it crawl. Oh, okay, stop. You're fucked. You got her stuck. Here.
There's a tree.
You buried her.
Wait. I'll help you. Just wait.
Yeah, you're gonna have to.
Where'd you put your beer?
Put it back there. Guy played the two-wheel drive too dangerously.
Living life dangerously.
Want to try to back it up, you think?
Yeah.
Here, lift the front. Lift the front and I'll back up.
Holy fuck, I got nowhere to stand.
You ready?
1, 2, 3. That's how you do it. Don't forget our beers are over there. Turn some lights on.